Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product learning spatio-temporal information for multi-object tracking. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Moving object detection and tracking is often the first step in applications such as video surveillance systems. The main aim of this project is to moving object detection and the tracking system with a static camera has been developed. To estimate the velocity distance parameters, we propose a general moving object detection and tracking based on vision system using image different algorithms. This process focuses on detection of moving objects in the scene video, for example, moving people meeting each other and tracking and detecting the people as long as they can stay in the scene. As well as this process is well suitable for the tracking and the detection of the moving objects like persons or any other vehicle such as the moving objects. This process is done by image different algorithm with MATLAB software, and we could calculate the distance, frame per time, velocity, etc. In this paper, we estimated the position of the moving people and velocity also. This process describes an algorithm to estimate the moving object velocities using image processing techniques from the camera calibration parameters and the MATLAB software. Hence, this process is well reliable for all the dataset videos, and as well as this is well suitable for the each and every frames presented in the frames. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input video is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input videos presented in the single folder. After getting any one video from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. Pre-processing steps, we have the three major kinds of procedures. First one is the frame conversion, then second one is the frame resize, and the third one is the frame noise filtering. In the frame conversion step, the video is converted into a several sequence of images. Then after the frame conversion steps, the frame resize is carried out. Frame resize is nothing but the frame scaling. Frame scaling is nothing but to scaling the image as an the aspect ratios or the aspect pixel length. After the image resize, the frame noise filtering is done. Frame noise filtering is used to remove the noise presented in the each and every frame. After the frame noise filtering, the segmentation is carried out. Segmentation steps, we have the two kinds of segmentation. First one is the background subtraction, then second one is the foreground extraction. Background subtraction is nothing but to eliminate the backgrounds presented in the each and every frames, and then the foreground extraction is the process to extract the moving object presented in the video scenes. After the segmentation process, the tracking is done by using the three categories. First one is the bounding box, then person counting, then the third one is the colored region. At first, the bounding box is used to detect the person moving in the frames. Then the person counting is also detected to count the number of persons or the number of moving objects presented in the video. Then the third one is the colored regions is used to indicate the moving objects. After the completion of the tracking process, the performance is estimated by using the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. By these three parameters only we can justify whether the process is efficient or not. The whole process efficiency is justified by these three parameters only. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the main file.m and select the option run. Now the dataset folder was open. In that you can see the input video. Select any one video. Now the process will begins automatically. Now first of all, initializing the extensions like the file name, path name and the format, then the rendering GUI like an graphical user interface, then the loading data source is to load the data like structure. Now the selected input video is played in the figure 1 and then the pre-processed frames are run in the figure 2 and figure 3. Now in the figure 3 the resized frames are shown. After that the filtering is done. So if you want to execute the filtering step means just enter the option 3 and give the button OK. The 3 is nothing but to give the size of the filtering. After that the filtered frames are shown in the figure 4. Now select every frame or the selected frame. If you want to select the every frame means just one, click the 1 and enter. Now the background subtraction and the foreground extraction is done for the each and every frames presented in the video. Now the background is suppressed and then reconstructed as an black color and the foreground is an white color. Now the tracking is done and the tracked video is shown in the figure 6. Now the detected ROI regions are colored. Now I will explain the process one by one. This is the input movie player. Now the figure 1 shows the original video. Then the figure 2 shows the frame conversion. Then the figure 3 shows the resized frames. Then the figure 4 shows the filtered frames. Then the foreground extracted frames are shown in the figure 5. Now the tracked video is shown in the figure 6. Then at last finally the colored ROI region is shown in the figure 100. Thanks for watching this video.